Her name is Terri Bean, and many of you from Texas will know her. She is the sister of Texas death row prisoner Jeff Wood, and Jeff is a law of parties case, and I'm sure that Terri will talk a little bit about that, or maybe she won't, but if people don't know about the law of parties, this is a law similar to the felony murder rule, which allows people who did not pull the trigger or did not commit the crime, and in many cases did not even know that a crime was going to be committed, to receive the death penalty alongside other people that did commit the crime. And sometimes the person that did do the shooting doesn't get the death penalty, but the person that doesn't does, and that's how our system often works. So Terri is a tireless fighter for her brother, and she's here today to talk to us about that.
Thank you, everybody, for being here today. My name is Terri Bean, and I'm a death row family member. My brother, Jeff Wood, he's a man who is factually innocent of murder. He's been sitting on death row for over 20 years for a murder that his roommate, who he barely even knew, committed. He has faced death twice. Twice I've said my final goodbyes to him, or what I thought would be my final goodbyes to him, for a murder that he was not even in the building for when it happened. This poorly written law allows people who have never committed murder to be tried just like the actual killer, and to face death just like the actual killer. Numerous law professors, lawyers, and state representatives even consider my brother to be the poster boy for why the law of parties should be changed and amended. We've come close, actually, several times in several legislative sessions to getting these amendments done, because family members and victims of the family partner with us, and they come and they go door to door. People like the Journey of Hope, they come and they speak, but still, for some reason or another, we fall short. What we need is for people to take action. We need people to write their representatives, write them often, leave messages, tweet them. I know that this can be time consuming, but my brother's not a monster. And he's not the only person that's convicted under this poorly written law. I'm against the death penalty as a whole, but it is supposed to be reserved for the worst of the worst in Texas. And how is it the worst and the worst if you never actually committed murder? You never planned to commit murder. You didn't know that your co-defendant even had a gun. How is that the worst of the worst? Why are we putting people to death who never factually killed anybody? Now again, I'm against the death penalty as a whole, but there are several people here who have innocent family members. Mine is just one of them, who never committed any crime or any murder. Several of these members, hopefully you'll get to hear from today. Please, I am begging you, I implore you to write these representatives. Write them, please. Be the voice for the voiceless and help us family members save our loved ones. Thank you.
Thanks, Terri.